Guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, lining, scissors, and tape. If you are just joining us, please subscribe and turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Let's get straight into the tutorial. We'll be measuring this bag in centimeter. Centimeter is the other bag of taper. So this is 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. The width. The length is also 50 centimeter. So I have 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter. Okay, look at it. I also cut out lining. Lining is the same measurements as the Ankara fabric. So this is all you need to do. You just need to fold your fabric this way. Can you see? Just fold this way. Fold into two. Cut out like that. And I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to put this here. Okay, so after that is done, I'm going to bring this tape to the front and we will stitch. I'm going to leave space here, don't stitch here. I'm going to stitch here, stitch, stitch, and stitch. And I'm also going to do the same for the other piece. After stitching round, I leave opening here. There's an opening here also, and we are going to turn inside out from this opening. After turning inside out, now you're going to iron it. After then, you fold this opening inside, and you're going to top stitch round on it. Stitch, stitch. I'm going to do the same for the other piece. I have ironed and I've stitched it round. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to fold into two equal parts. We are going to make a mark at the middle. I'm also going to make a mark the middle. So after that is done, place your fabric. Midpoint to midpoint. I'm going to stitch from this point like this to this point. After stitching, so you're going to turn the fabric to the other side. Okay, I'm also going to stitch this part. After stitching, turn the fabric to the right side. Okay, this is what you have. You fold into two equal parts. Now we are going to stitch this side straight down, straight down. I've stitched this side. Now it's time to fix the down part. I'm going to measure 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. I'm going to stitch. I'm also going to measure 6 centimeters. I'm going to stitch. I have stitched. So you can decide to just cut this off or you attach it. In this video, I will be attaching it to the bag. I won't be cutting it off. So with the help of your needle and thread, and when you are done attaching, cut off your thread. I'm going to stitch the other side of the bag as well. After stitching, now you can turn the bag inside out. This is what my bag is looking like. So for the handle, we'll be using this bridal satin, and I've already ironed a medium weight interfacing on it too. Let's measure it in centimeter. 32 centimeter by 3 centimeter. So I ironed a medium weight interfacing and I stitch one part. Okay, so this will be stitching here. Just fold the tip of your handle. I'm going to stitch here. Okay, I'm going to stitch 4 corners. Also going to do the same here. Fold the tip of your handle, stitch it here, and I'm also going to stitch 4 corners. Yeah, fix the handle. This is what our bag looks like. So now we're going to fix the magnetic snap here. You can get this for Zero tailoring accessories. We're going to stitch one part here and stitch the other part here with the help of your needle and thread. When that is done, cut off your thread and you stitch the other side. I'm done stitching magnetic snap. See that this is what our bag looks looks like. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Drop your opinion about this bag. And if you have any bag you want me to make, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.